Pizza dough, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 package active dry yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup warm water, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Pizza toppings, 1 cup tomato sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, a 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. Your choice of toppings. Directions: in a large mixing bowl, combine the flour, yeast, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, mix together the warm water and olive oil. Add this mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes, then place it in a greased bowl and cover it with a towel. Let the dough rise in a warm place for about 1 hour. Preheat the oven to 425°F. Once the dough has risen, punch it down and roll it out onto a lightly floured surface. Transfer the dough to a greased pizza pan or baking sheet. Spread the tomato sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Sprinkle the mozzarella and Parmesan cheese over the sauce. Add your desired toppings. Bake the pizza in the preheated oven for 15 minutes 20 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade pizza with your family and friends.